So clearly the dash is out, and that's a good job to have done.
Yes.
Now we have to take a lot of things off of that, right? So there is more work to do before we continue the evolution of this.
We talked about upgrading, right? And this is what we've got here from LRB Speed. So it's all the parts and pieces you need to have this as an end result. So not only does it look great, it also is lightweight and is going to be a nice replacement for your factory original. Now, it also comes in different colors. You've got the black here, you can get a burgundy, you can get it gray as well as tan, and you can get it in raw aluminum. Now, if you go the raw aluminum route, it gives you the opportunity of matching your vehicle. Let's say you've got a custom paint job on the car or truck. Well, you want to match it, you can do that with the raw aluminum, make everything seamless.
Now you mentioned the fact that it's lightweight. It's 16 gauge aluminum, right? So it's durable. This is going to hold up way better than the plastic. The cool thing is, you look at this, it's a good sized piece, but it's not like it weighs 150 pounds.
Right.
I think it's what, 30 pounds or something like that, roughly.
Right.
You just slide it right in there. You talked about customization too. All the holes, for the AC vents, radios, whatever, trailer brake kits, you can just make it custom for your particular vehicle. You're building a race truck, you're probably not going to have AC in it, so it's like, okay, you don't need those.
Right.
And that's all you got to do. They're right down the road from us in Clearwater, Florida. Pretty cool. Everything's made right here in the USA, American-owned company. Love that. Just cool people.
You are handsome.
That he is.
Gorgeous.
My assistant.
So we got the majority of the new dash all assembled right there, but we've got to steal some stuff off the old. First of all, basically, you got to get down to that metal frame to attach everything to. But, gems like this cassette player, man, they don't come around often.
That's staying. And do you know why? Tell you why. Because I did a little digging. Dude, Supertramp, Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, greatest hits right there. The dude has good taste in music.
It's like gold, baby. You sure you want to keep this?
Yes.
As you can see, the dash is almost completely assembled at this point. We left a few spots out so we can get our hands and access to putting in all the parts and pieces we have from the original dash to transfer over. So we can access the backside, let's say. We've got this old school radio. I know Matt's partial to it, but if you're not and you've got a singled in or a doubled in, what you do is when you order it, you pull in the drop-down menu and it allows you to get one that'll fit the exact radio you want. So no need to worry if you have a different choice in radios than Matt has. LRB Speed has got you covered. Now, when it comes to installing some of this stuff, it's pretty smart the way they've done it. Like these little vents just simply pop right in place like that. Boom, it goes over here, and then they can actually have little stops so when you roll back and forth, it's not going to spin over backwards, that kind of thing. We've got, the gauge cluster here, as well as your switch panels go into there, and obviously it'll come from the back side. When it comes to putting some of this stuff in, sometimes it helps to have a second set of hands, so I'll have Matt come over to make sure I get everything lined up correct. You don't want to drop this stuff and have it shatter, just like that dash did. You don't want to mess with that dream catcher.
Yeah, that helps.
Hey, welcome back to Truck U. We're continuing our install of the LRB Speed Dash for this old pickup truck. And, one of the things I like about it is the fact that not only does it look rugged, but it changes the whole look of the inside of the truck.
Oh, it looks awesome.
The thing is, they've got some other options to help dress up and fix some problems with the inside of your truck as well.
A lot of these mid-90s trucks, the plastic just gets fatigued, like this overhead storage area, the door panels,
Right.
and LRB Speed, they've created a lot of other pieces that kind of help some of those issues. The other thing I want to say, this is the particular model for this dash was the 98 to 02 Dodge Ram, right? They've also got 94 to 02 other models of that. They have lines for most of your domestic mid-90s trucks.
All right, let's go check out some of those console stuff.
Okay, cool.
So we showed you guys that broken console over our heads there inside the truck. Well, we got a new one here from LRB Speed as well. It's going to replace it and match that dash, so it's all going to look nice and clean. Now, this is like an extended one, right? The one that's in there now ends about right here. This not only has the sunglass holder and everything, but also it extends all the way back. So you have that rugged look going all the way back to the top of the cab.
And take a look at the door panels. I love it, dude. Nice. It's simple, clean, and it's just like now the whole sides are going to look good. But they've also got pieces for under the hood as well right here. These are cool.
Yeah, these help finish out and complete the look inside the truck. Now we've got some stuff we can do underneath the hood to help clean it up and also make it a little bit better, right? The battery mounts, they're plastic. It's same thing's going to kind of happen with the interior is going to happen there, and you don't want a battery get loose. So this is one they built that is Group 31 size. You can go up in size and still have a great look. This is the tie-down bracket that goes like this on here, holds it into place. And then you've got the lower and you've got the upper radiator covers, which kind of clean up the inside of the hood.
You can handle these, right? Because I got to go to Michigan and I got to get to that truck show thing.
You already did that like 3 weeks ago.
You're right, but I got to check on the edit. I'll be right back.